I'm getting ready to use my air fryer to do some fish. Here I'm gonna use this sauce right here to coat it. And this is something new, some new sauce I was trying. You see all the ingredients in it. It's got a lot of ingredients. So I'm doing this voiceover. You see it got onions and everything. So I'm gonna take some of this sauce and I'm gonna warm it up in the microwave for about 5 or 6 seconds so it can go on a little smoother. And I'm gonna use some of my Tony's and sprinkle here on my fish. Then I'm gonna pour this sauce on it and rub it in. And like I said, I'm doing this voiceover, but I've already cooked this fish and tried it. Man, it was off the chain. I ain't trying to brag or anything, but hey, you need to try this season, this sauce. I don't know what it is. I didn't get it, but my niece, she picked it up. She liked to try different sauces there at HEB. So I tried this on this salmon here, and it was good. So what I did, I just put that on. I put a couple of pieces of onion on there. I think the onion is more for decoration than anything. You really can't hardly taste the flavor once you put it in there. Maybe if you put some onion powder or something, you could taste it. So I'm gonna put it in this air fryer. And I've been using this air fryer here for the few days. Like on my previous videos, you probably see I'm trying to lose about 15-20 pounds this month. So I'm gonna cook it for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. That was perfect. I left it in there for 10 minutes and I cooked it at 400 degrees. I wouldn't add a minute or subtract a minute from this. It was perfect. I'm gonna show you once I take it out. So this was on for 10 minutes. Once it was on, it clicks. It lets you know it's ready. And I like this air fryer. You don't have to worry about the grease and all that other stuff. It's just so simple, easy to use. But this is right after 10 minutes. Perfect. For me, it's perfect. It's not overcooked. It had moisture in it. It was just really nice. And I got some asparagus right there. So I'm gonna cut it open and just show you what it looks like. It's not undercooked, it's not overcooked, it's just right. So if you don't want it cooked that long, I'd say go for 8 minutes. If you want to cook it a little more, go for 12. But this is what it looks like, and this is how you use the air fryer. If you want to purchase one of those air fryers, just look in the description below. It's simple. You don't have to do all that cleanup. So I'm gonna give it a try. And this is good. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.